In this video we're going to look at determiners. Now, determiners form what's called a small closed class. The, this, that, these, those, which, whose, my, your, her, his, its, our and their. Now it's called a closed class because there's this set of determiners and that's it. We can't just invent a new determiner and add it to the class. Yeah? If you compare that to nouns, yeah, if a new thing gets invented, we give it a name and we create a new noun so that we can refer to it. And therefore the class of nouns is an open class. You can freely add new words to it. Now, because there are only 15 determiners, as you can see here, the easier thing to learn to recognize them is to learn them by heart. Just learn them by heart, and then you know that when you come across one. But there are some the determiners have some properties that can help you recognize them. So let's have a look at them. In terms of distribution, you can see that determiners always precede nouns. Although there may be some words in between, so you could have, you've got the computer, then the is the determiner, computer is the noun, and that's perfectly fine. Yeah, but you could have these old shoes, and there this word old occurs between the determiner these and the noun. Or you could have that very upsetting experience. Now that is the determiner. Then you've got this word very, which is an adverb, and upsetting, which is an adjective, and then experience. Yeah. But if you look at these constructions, you could see that you can leave those in between words out. So you can say these shoes or that experience. Yeah. So the old and the very upsetting just give a bit more information. But the basic construction is having the determiner with the noun. Yeah, so where you have a determiner, it always has to be followed by a noun, even if there's some of these words in between. Now, another property of determiners is that they can be replaced by other determiners. So you can say the dog, a dog, my dog, your dog, her dog, his dog, our dog, their dog, this dog, that dog, which dog and whose dog. Now you can see it doesn't always work because you can't say these dog and those dog, and that's because those determiners always have to occur with a plural noun. So you get these dogs and those dogs. Yeah. Now this property that they always can be replaced by other determiners gives us a neat rule for recognizing determiners. Yeah. If you remember that the is a determiner, the is what's called the definite article, and is often called the indefinite article. Now if you think the is your prototypical determiner, then any word that you can replace with the must also be a determiner. So that's a good one to try if you're not sure.